see you there.
No, I'm about to eat.
What?
What are you wearing?
Hello, guys.
It's so fashionable.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. Well, tell everybody where we're going today.
We're going to what's it called?
We're going to get a bite to eat.
Yeah, bite to eat.
And
And then we're going to go shopping for school.
You're having to go.
some school supplies. Yay! I love this time of year. Exciting. All right, let's go get some bite to eat so we get some energy. Come on, you're not taking that, you crazy girl. Really? What is that? What is that thing?
It's a fashionable earring you can smell. So
Oh
smelly.
boy. Oh boy.
Smells like roses.
Yeah. Roses.
Yeah.
Roses.
With the
Peachy.
squishy,
All right, let's
the
go,
squishy
guys.
one, earring part, and the smelly part.
Yep, the smelly part.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, good.
You want to go eat some chicken?
Yeah, I'm
Chicken
sorry.
sandwich? All right. Come
You
on.
don't want to.
Let's go, baby.
You don't want to go looking for school supplies with an empty stomach.
No, I want to get Mateo. Is chicken okay today? You get some chicken? I hope you guys aren't going to go in like that when we go shopping. Because people are going to look at us like we're crazy. The crazy
I'm
bunch.
embarrass you.
Whoa, you're going to fall over. Guys, right? Before we take off, safety first. I don't know how safe this thing is, but hey. Sorry. Oh, we got to get a curl, a tight curl. There we go. I think we got it. Maybe. I have a feeling it's going to fall, but it's okay.
Yeah, because last time we came here, the stores were packed.
Yeah.
And the lines were...
and chicken.
But guys, doesn't it kind of look like a pig? Because of the nose, but it's a unicorn. That doesn't make any sense. Mommy,
Yeah.
how far is it away from here?
We're almost there. We're almost there. In a couple of minutes, we're almost there. But it's the lights that are stopping us.
Lights?
Yep. The lights. So I brought the list. We just got to make sure we get everything on the list today.
What does it say?
And then just your supplies. And then we gotta eventually we're gonna have to do a get some snacks and stuff. So we'll see about that today. We might not have to get that today since we still have a few, weeks away from school.
I don't want to go to school.
Yes, you do. You like school. You get to see all your friends.
Yeah, but I just don't want to go to school
What's your reason for not wanting to go to school?
because
Let
I
me
wake
guess.
up early.
Exactly. Every kid doesn't like to wake up early.
Today, yesterday, I fell asleep super late, so I was super tired when I woke up today. Too busy making ingredients for stuff. Hey, Mateo, what are you doing? Louder. Eating what? What is that?
A bag.
Paca?
No, a bag. No, a bag.
Oh, it's cake.
Mateo, are you going to school this year?
No.
Not yet, right? You have one more year?
Yes.
And soon you'll be in preschool.
Yeah. Because Tiago.
You never even went to school.
Because Tiago.
Why don't you like school?
Okay.
What?
A teacher will yell at me.
Why is the teacher going to yell at you? Are you going to be a bad boy?
No, because the school yesterday.
You did not.
And the teacher just yelled at me. Now stop.
When your sister plays teacher, that doesn't count.
No, it doesn't. No. If we're playing teacher, that doesn't count. When you go to real school, if you be a good boy, do your homework, listen to the teacher, you be.
You don't
That counts.
You what? But the teacher yelled at me.
Why? Because your sister yells at you all the time? Yeah? Don't worry,
be a
you'll
bad
have a nicer teacher. You won't.
Are we picking up the food or gonna eat it?
We're going to eat this. Because we got to go straight to the store.
Oh,
We can't take the food.
Oh, and we're even so close to it. Pollo Tropical is so close to Walmart. Right?
Now, so, and then we'll go. Only spot available next to a cop car.
I just take
What happened?
the skin. Like, I don't really like the skin on my chicken.
Is skin healthy or unhealthy for you?
Unhealthy. My hands got burnt because of that face. I just finished eating, but it turns out I live in Florida, and when does my school start?
August 12th.
August 12th. My school starts. Don't show them the table.
Yes, it is a mess. Can we eat?
And then we're gonna go to Walmart after everybody's finished. And then we're gonna buy some food.
You suck it out eyes. Well, close your eyes.
I can't say it. School supplies.
Supplies.
And
I need
what
first.
are we gonna look for first?
Well, you need notebooks. You need folders. First,
we have
you can get ice.
we have a list to what to buy. Some of the
Look,
things.
the guys are looking at you. Sorry, honey. Keep talking to your fans.
Some of the things we already have, some of the things we don't, so we're gonna go looking for those stuff. And some of the things we're gonna put off the list and stuff because we already have those stuff. So if you guys don't get some of those ingredient supplies, it's because we already have them. So
I love it. You have your mind on ingredients because that is part of our show. Excellent. See, guys, she's on it.
ingredients, get it? Food ingredients. Get it, guys?
That's the
So then
flavor.
we're gonna go to Walmart, go see this stuff. But food, make sure you guys eat before doing all of your important stuff, like shopping, going, like moving or doing stuff.
So are we going to be snacks? What ideas do you have for your snacks for school?
And some help.
Yes, the food in your mouth. So what kind of snacks are you thinking? Like what?
Apples, probably oranges, or make some homemade snacks.
You know what would be a good idea, and I'm thinking
What?
about making it? You know how you like your wraps?
Yeah.
You know the wraps? We can make some like turkey wraps.
I don't like that too much. I don't like turkey that much. But
Okay. Or what else? What other ideas can we do?
maybe we can do a fruit wrap. A fruit wrap. It's healthy and
Or peanut butter and jelly wrap.
we're making a lot of ideas. And guys, can you tell us in the comments down below what ideas do you think we should make?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, guys, lunch is ready. We're all done eating our lunch, so it's time to go shopping.